Guys, we're having our first exam later.
Huh? In which subject?
In English.
Yeah, right?
Oh no, I haven't reviewed. Bahala na. Did you guys review the lesson?
Yeah.
Yes.
By the way, what's bahala na?
Guys, are you guys done with the homework?
What homework?
Yes, the essay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so hard nga eh.
What do you mean nga?